picked this one to come out first.
You like this one, boy? Red? Matches your jacket? Say hell yeah. Hey, you're here with Steve from Tricked Out Cycles. We just got the National Powersport Auction. We purchased several units we're gonna add to our inventory. Some real nice stuff, so we're gonna start pulling them out and get them loaded up here. Back with Steve. We just got back from the auction. We got a nice selection of bikes. Just picked these up here. Kawasaki 650. Got a couple Ninja 300s, a ZX10. We got a CBR 500, a CBR 300. Real nice, all clean title bikes, all ready to get on and go. Financing available. These are just some of our options. We got tons of Harleys inside. We got dual purpose bikes, half naked bikes, so we got a real great selection, financing available for every bike that we have in stock. Plus you also get a discount. As long as you purchase a bike from us here, you get 15% off any riding apparel out of our catalogs. Anything you need, we take care of all of our customers who purchase from us. These bikes are now going to go in, even though they're all clean title, just came from the auction. We're going to run them through the shop, check everything up top to bottom, make sure from tire pressure to fuel injection, make sure everything's ready to go. So when you come through, you're ready to jump on and get riding. So yeah, today was a good experience. Not too far. This one auction is local to us, so we're able to get there, get back. It's getting dark here at the end of the day, but we still got a couple hours of work to do inside. Still under crunch time for the auto show, but we just want everybody to know, come check us out, the auto show. And stop by our showroom, check out all of our bikes, talk to our financing company, and we'll get you set up, man. So Tricked Out Cycles for all your motorcycle needs.